I teach about dating, not sexuality. I'm always up for a good conversation on sexuality, but I feel there are a number of good resources out there that do that, but we don't teach someone how do you go on dating apps and handle rejection in a good way that doesn't destroy your self-esteem. I teach about sexual ableism because, and I should define it, sexual ableism is a form of social discrimination in the area of dating, intimacy, and relationships that says because someone has a disability, they are inferior in these areas. And that is something people deal with all the time